This video explains how to use Fee Navigator's Compare tool. When you log into your account, click Compare, New, and the Compare screen opens up. Here, you'll be able to compare the Excel analysis from an old statement with a new statement. You can simply click to upload or drag and drop the analyses. The old analysis goes on the left and the new one on the right. Then, you can toggle the transaction volume between the old and new. Click Compare. After a few seconds, the summary will show up here on the screen. You can see the old fees and the old effective rate, as well as the new fees and the new effective rate. Here, we will highlight the monthly change, yearly change, and 3-year change. You can download the Excel or the PDF to show, line by line, how the old analysis compares with the new one. You'll be able to easily and quickly explain the processing fees, pass-through fees, and other fees that will support your conversation with your merchant. Like and follow for more tutorials. We look forward to working with you soon.